Good afternoon, dear students. As you know that I have completed the chapter Ranga's marriage. Some question I had discussed few days ago. एक दो दिन पहले मैंने आपसे कुछ क्वेश्चन डिस्कस किए थे. तो आगे आइए वो क्वेश्चन एनसीईआरटी क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करते हैं हम लोग और कुछ शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस. So first question in NCERT is comment on the influence of English, the language and the way of life on Indian life as reflected in the story. What is the narrator's attitude to English? इंग्लिश के इन्फ्लुएंस के ऊपर कमेंट करिए और नैरेटर का एटीट्यूड, जो राइटर है उसका एटीट्यूड क्या है इंग्लिश के प्रति. आंसर में क्या लिखेंगे हम लोग? द नैरेटर हैज़ brought out the influence of English language on the way of life in the story, especially in the village Hosharli. When the Britishers came to our land, they brought the industrialization and carried their culture also, their religion, their language, which led an impact on the Indian life. तो आप देखते भी हैं कि हम लोगों की ये मेंटलिटी होती है, वी कंसीडर दोज पीपल सुपीरियर हु नो द इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज. तो आप कह भी सकते हैं कि इट इज़ द ओनली लैंग्वेज वाई वी शुड फील सो मच प्राउड ऑफ अबाउट इट when it is not even ours. But as you know, it is a global language, so it is good to know the foreign language. So this falsehood has been reflected very well in the story. Narrator Shyama showed how when Ranga returned from Bangalore after completing his studies, the people make a crowd, very much excitement, and writer itself says English as a priceless commodity. So by writing this answer we can comment on the influence of the impact of the English language in our society. Now next question. Indian society has moved a long way from the way the marriage is arranged in the story. Discuss कि इंडियन सोसाइटी जो है काफ़ी आगे निकल आई है. किस बात में? जिस तरह की मैरिज यहाँ पे बताई गई हैं स्टोरी में, उससे हमारी इंडियन सोसाइटी काफ़ी आगे निकल आई है. तो आपने देखा कि इन द स्टोरी इट हैज़ बीन टोल्ड दैट रंगा इज़ himself not so much mature person, but he marries a 11-year-old girl. So it is like a encouragement to the child marriage. So in response, in answer of this question, we can write that it is true that Indian society has very much fast forward the way beyond the marriage has been in the story. The way Shyama arranged Ranga's marriage is not a way it happens in the modern times. तो जिस तरह से रंगा की मैरिज को परफॉर्म किया गया राइटर द्वारा, उस तरह से अब मॉडर्न टाइम में नहीं होता. Children today do not want to stay dependent on their parent or elder to choose their life partner. What they want now? They now want to take control of their life. वो अब चाहते हैं कि हमारा ही कंट्रोल रहे पूरी लाइफ पे. They take the lead and decide themselves who they want to spend their life with. So the society has opened up to the like the love marriage and extra forward also. लेकिन एक बात पे यहाँ कमेंट करना पड़ेगा कि it is not true that love marriage are not modern. This culture has existed in the former time also. Many cases of love marriage can be traced back in the history. As the Shakuntala did love marriage, Sita and Draupadi choose their partner on their own, Swayamvar. So in the last we can say that we can be sure of it that at least one thing, that these are the trends that come and go and people follow what it is in the fashion. Now next question is, what kind of a person do you think the narrator is? Narrator आपको किस तरह का व्यक्ति लगता है? We know that the Shyama is the narrator of the story. Many times his name has been given. वो अपने आप को कई बार बताता है कि your true servant Shyama is here. So in the story Ranga marriage is, the narrator is a person who is very much loves his soil and his village. Excuse me. He is an elderly gentleman and he refer himself as a dark piece of oil cake. अपने आप को बहुत ही काला बताता है वो. And he is passionately in love with village. Therefore when the story starts he takes the reader on a tour of his village. वो अपने विलेज का पूरा टूर कराता है राइटर को. Hoshalli is the name of the village, explaining the specialities of it. Next, he does not believe in the English culture. He tells how 10 decades ago there was no such culture and how he thinks that the language has changed the atmosphere totally. So distinction has descended between those who speak English and those who do not. Okay, now we come to bus. Now we come to some short questions. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन जो हम लोग डिस्कस कर सकते हैं, व्हाट वर द टू डिस्टिंक्टिव फीचर ऑफ द विलेज हौशाली. विलेज हौशाली जो बताया गया है उसके दो स्पेशलिटी क्या क्या थी? आंसर क्या हो सकता है? द नैरेटर स्पीक वेरी मच अबाउट हिज विलेज हौशाली. He lists a number of special features of the place. First of all, it has a doctor. गांव में एक डॉक्टर है who had traveled widely. Secondly, there are some special mango trees and a creeper growing in the village pond. तो आप ये देख सकते हैं डॉक्टर का जिक्र करना और स्पेशल मैंगो ट्रीज का उसने जो जिक्र किया है. These can be two distinctive feature of the village Hosharli. Now, second question. How does the narrator give us a vague picture of Indian village during the British rule? ब्रिटिश रूल के टाइम में नरेटर इंडियन विलेज की किस तरह से उनको प्रस्तुत करता है? आंसर वुड बी ड्यूरिंग द ब्रिटिश रूल इंडियन विलेज वर वेरी पुअर एंड अंडर डेवलप्ड. बहुत ही गरीब थे और ज़्यादा विकास नहीं हुआ था. Very few people could understand or speak English. So when Ranga was sent to Bangalore to study, जब रंगा को भेजा गया बेंगलोर स्टडी के लिए, it was a very much great event. एक बहुत बड़ी इवेंट के तौर पे गांव में इसको माना गया. And secondly, early मैरिज वाज ए कॉमन प्रैक्टिस, एक बाल विवाह होना, a marriage at very early age, it was very common in the village. We also see that Ratna was married off when she was just 11-year-old. So this can be the answer of this question, that Indian village during the British rule. Now third question can be, why was Ranga's homecoming a great event? रंगा का घर पे आना एक बहुत बड़ी इवेंट क्यों माना गया? Because Ranga was the son of village accountant. He was sent to Bangalore to study in an English school. उसको खुशहाली विलेज से भेजा गया बेंगलोर पढ़ने के लिए, study in an English school. When he returned, people were very much excited because he had returned after 6 months. People expected a big change in the boy, so they rushed to his doorstep. So his homecoming became like a very great event. Now the fourth question which I want to discuss with you, चौथा क्वेश्चन जो मैं डिस्कस करना चाहता हूँ आपके साथ, What role does the narrator play in the life of रंगप्पा? रंगा या रंगप्पा एक ही नाम है. नरेटर जो है, राइटर जो है, वो रंगा की लाइफ में क्या रोल प्ले करता है? आंसर वुड बी, श्यामा द नरेटर रिजॉल्व टू गेट रंगा मैरिड. रिजॉल्व मीन्स टू टेक अ डिसीजन. श्यामा जो नरेटर है उसने एक डिसीजन लिया कि किसी भी तरह से रंगा की मैरिज कराना है. सो देन ही लेज ए ट्रैप फॉर रंगा. रंगा के लिए एक ताना बुनता है, एक जाला बुनता है. ही इनवाइट्स बोथ रत्ना एंड रंगा टू हिज हाउस सो दैट दे सी ईच अदर. वो इन दोनों लोगों को अपने घर पे बुलाता है ताकि दोनों ही लोग उसको देख सकें. दे सी ईच अदर, एक दूसरे को देख सकें. There, as the narrator had brought, Ranga became attracted to Ratna. Finally, the narrator managed to get them married. तो finally दोनों की शादी हो जाती है. So writer has a very important role in laying the marriage of themselves. So the narrator play the role of a matchmaker. Now the last question which I want to discuss with you, very easy answer would be of it. Who was Ratna? रत्ना कौन थी? तो आप इसका आंसर लिख सकते हैं कि शी वाज द 11-year-old प्रिटी नीस ऑफ रामा राव. उसका इंट्रोडक्शन देना पड़ेगा आपको कि 11 साल की लड़की थी. किसकी? रामा राव, प्रिटी नीस ऑफ रामा राव. शी हैड लॉस्ट हर पेरेंट्स सिंस शी वाज फ्रॉम ए बिग टाउन. शी न्यू हाउ टू प्ले द बीना एंड द हारमोनियम. तो वो जानती थी किस तरह से बीना बजाई जाए या हारमोनियम बजाया जाए. शी ऑल्सो हैड ए वेरी स्वीट वॉइस. सो श्यामा प्लेड ए की रोल इन हर मैरिज विद रत्ना. सो with this we end the chapter because Ranga's marriage has taken so much time. So I have just explained the summary of this chapter. Explanation I had done line by line, and some question answer I had discussed yesterday also, some NCERT question today, and some short question also today. Just I am giving you the task of to solve some unsolved question. I will send you further. बाकी चीज़ें मैं आपको भेजे दे रहा हूँ. थैंक यू वेरी मच. अगेन आई से दैट इफ़ यू हैव एनी क्वेरी, कोई आपको कुछ पूछना हो रिलेटेड टू चैप्टर, you can ask me at any time. Thank you very much.